Hello there. Last week, a northerly wind brought our first taste of autumn chill. Both by day and night, it allowed for a touch of frost as well. But the weather story is changing yet again. It'll turn milder through the rest of this week and increasingly wet, particularly from midweek onwards. So we will lose that cold northerly and tap into this warm southerly flow, which is going to push the mild air right across the country, the cool air moving over into Eastern Europe. And that means that we'll start off with some wet weather in the southwest to begin with. Then the rain will gradually spread its way steadily north. So as we go through the week ahead, some areas along west facing coast could see as much as 50 to 70 millimetres of rainfall. We've got some rain that will easily clear away during the southeast on Monday morning, pushing away, leaving quite a lot of cloud first thing on Monday. A grey start here. The best of the sunshine likely to be through northern England, Northern Ireland and bulk of Scotland. Showery rain across the northwest will gradually push into the Northern Isles. And here temperatures generally between 10 and 12 degrees. Further south we're looking at highs of 13 or 14. But look at the southwest. Here's the real mild air starting to show its hand. It will come with the risk of some sharp showers, maybe even some thunderstorms as they push their way steadily northwards. So I suspect on Tuesday we will be chasing cloud amounts around throughout the day. Some areas will stay dry but rather grey, and these sharp showers will continue to drift their way up through the Irish Sea as well. Top temperatures through the day on Tuesday ranging from 12 to 17 degrees. Now on Wednesday, the winds will strengthen further, and it's Wednesday when we really could see some very heavy rain. Position of the rain still subject to question, but at the moment the heaviest looks likely across west facing coast, drifting their way steadily north, and gale force gusts of winds across the far north of Scotland. But there is the potential that East Anglia and South East England will escape the rain during the day and see some sunshine. And if that happens, we could get temperatures peaking at 21 degrees, 70 Fahrenheit, way above where they should be for this stage in October. That rain, though, will clear its way steadily east, so a spell of wet weather moving its way away from the east, and then behind it a brief lull. Thursday not looking too bad a day, dry with some sunny spells and a few scattered showers out to the west. Not quite as warm potentially in the southeast as Wednesday, but nevertheless very pleasant indeed, 14 to 18 Celsius the high. But by Friday, the next low is moving in, and just look how tightly packed these isobars are. The winds have featured gale force gusts of wind, still from the southwest, but still driving in spells of very wet weather. A lot of uncertainty where this low is going to be sitting by Friday, but certainly it could be another pretty unsettled day. In terms of the feel of the weather, pretty academic under the cloud and the rain, I'm sure, but 12 to 16 again. Now, to look further ahead, we need to factor in the jet stream. The jet stream is pretty powerful. It's been driving areas of low pressure across us throughout the week, but then it starts to shift its way a little bit further north, and we could tap into this high pressure across central and southern England. So there's a potential next weekend and beyond to see some drier weather here, but it's likely to stay pretty unsettled the further north and west you are. Of course, we'll update you on developments.